One TV special report.
Hello. Good evening. First of all, allow me to acknowledge our pillars of progress, whose leadership and support guided us to where we are today. The father of our province of Misamis Occidental, Governor Attorney Henry S. Wamanal, our Ascenso Party List representative, Congressman Attorney Henry Indy F. Wamanal Jr., and our 2nd District Representative, Congressman Sancho Fernando F. Wamanal. Let's give them a big hand. To our Vice Mayor, Simplicia Bebineri, and to the members of the Honorable Council, good evening. It is a privilege to convey to you the message of our City Mayor, Honorable Sam Norman Fuentes, for all of us tonight. Maayong gabi sa tanan. Today, as we celebrate the 125th anniversary of the Philippine Civil Service, we are reminded that true greatness in government is not measured by power or position, but by heart, dignity, and excellence with which we serve. Bawat kawani, lingkod bayan, puso, dangal, at galing para sa bayan. It is not just a theme. It is a living testament among many of the local government employees here who have dedicated their service to the people of Ozamis City. This is a time to honor the backbone of our government, our dedicated civil servants. You are the frontliners who bring our programs to the people. You are the engineers who design our infrastructure, the social workers who protect our vulnerable, the health workers who guard our well-being, the street sweepers and garbage collectors who ensure our city is clean, and the clerks who ensure no citizen's concern goes unheard. Your collective effort is the very engine of our progress here in Ozamis City. Your commitment goes beyond a job description. It is a vocation of service marked by compassion, integrity, and professionalism. Even during the most trying times, you have shown up, demonstrating agility and unwavering dedication to our constituents. You embody the Ascenso brand of service, the governance that consistently takes action, delivers results, and places our people at the very heart of development. I am truly inspired by the participation of the members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod, headed by our Vice Mayor Honorable Simplicia Bebineri, department heads, and all the local government employees of Ozamis City who actively took part in our month-long celebration. Your commitment to join and participate in every activity contributes to the success of this initiative, which aimed to transform the annual Civil Service Month celebration from a series of events into a vibrant, engaging, and meaningful experience that genuinely fosters camaraderie, unity, and esprit de corps among public servants, reigniting a shared sense of purpose. To our organizing committee, your hard work and creativity have made this milestone remarkable and memorable. Happy Civil Service Month. May you continue to be a source of pride and strength for our community. Together, let us continue to move forward with one vision, an Ozamis where every family lives in peace, abundance, and happiness. Padayon mga lingkod bayani, Ascenso Misamis Occidental, Ascenso Segundo Distrito, Kanunay Ascenso Ozamis, and Ascenso Pinoy. Good evening.
Here we go with the message of our City Mayor, Attorney Sam Norman G. Fuentes, is our City Administrator, Miss Rodessa Grace Uwana. You are the backbone of the Ascenso administration, and you are on the front line in bringing services to every Osamisnan and every Misamisnan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we continue to celebrate talent. So earlier, we've listened to that beautiful song rendition. It's time for grooves and moves at this time, because we will have another champion performance with the champion in the dance contest. Ladies and gentlemen, they will surely paint this town, this hall, this gymnasium red. Let's go, Red Team!
We got news for you. You better listen. Get ready. All you lonely
There you go! Ang pasabog performance ng Red Team! Ingon pa sila, every civil servant is a hero. Ang tinuod nga hero na sa Red Team. Let's give them a big round of applause! Alright, congratulations! With their choreography, with their moves, ang ilang energy also gave inspiration to all of us. It wasn't just a dance, but again, an expression of their unity, passion, and skill. Qualities nga naagyod sa tagsa-tagsa ka mga civil servant dinhi sa dakbayan sa Ozamis. Well, after that beautiful and winning dance performance of the Red Team, ladies and gentlemen, the next part is gonna be dinner time. And there is more to celebrate because after dinner time, we'll still have a winning performance, the raffle, the recognition of the employees. But for now, we celebrate God's bounty, we celebrate everybody's health, we celebrate everything that we enjoyed tonight. And with that, we would like to request Mr. Michael Fuentes to lead us in prayer for the food. After this, it would be our fellowship dinner. But there is more to celebrate after dinner time, ladies and gentlemen. Later on, after dinner time, we'll have the intermission number of the champion for the paligsahan sa pagtatalumpati. Also, the 2 rounds of the raffle draw, the recognition of the employees who have been in the government service for 30 years and above. We would like to request City Councilor Junjun Sakin to lead us in prayer as we are about to have our fellowship dinner, ladies and gentlemen. Later on, we'll continue to enjoy because this is our night. There would also be games. But for now, may I request everybody to stand as we unite in thanksgiving to our God.
Atong ipahilona ang atong tagsatag sa kaugalingon sa mahal og buhing presensya sa atong pagbubuhat. Sa ngalan samahan, ug sa anak, ug sa Dios, Espiritu Santo. Amen. Ginoo, ang imong ngalan mo'y tinubdan ining tanan. Ikaw ang gamugna, ikaw ang engineer, ikaw ang gahatag sa tanan dinis kalibutan. Ikaw ang naghatag na mong tagstag sa ka mga talento. Ikaw ang tinubdan sa panagiusa. O sa pagkaon ng papagasaluhan karon, kiniunta ang tinubdan sa mong kadasig sa paghatag og tukmang serbisyo sa katawhan. Kay ikaw man ang tinubdan sa gugma. Manginaot kami kini pagkaon makadugang sa mong kalig-on, makadugang sa mong kadasig, ug makadugang sa mong paghatag og tukmang serbisyo sa imong katawhan nga diin ikaw ang naghatag niini. Kining tanan among gipangayo ug gipasalamatan pinaagi ni Kristo uban sa mamahal nga birhen sa kuta. Amen. Sa ngalan samahan, sa anak, sa Dios, Espiritu Santo. Amen.
There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Bon appetit, everybody. And as you enjoy your dinner, we have prepared something special for you on the big screen. We have compiled all your entries, forming them into a video montage we call Real Life Heroes. This video compilation is a tribute to all of you, our everyday heroes in public service. It features the untold and the unseen stories of your hard work, dedication, and the small acts of heroism you do for our beloved city of Ozamis. And later on, naapot tayo slideshows for all the entries in the photography or photo contest. You would be seeing on screen the photos, the faces nga nagpakita sa atong mga kauban nga mga civil servants. Nagpakita sa ilahang puso, sa atong puso, dangal at galing sa tibuok selebrasyon sa Civil Service Month. And of course, every photo, every face tells a story of unity and joy. Everyone, we begin with the entries for the real life heroes and then the entries of the photography contest. Let's all watch this as we enjoy dinner time. Enjoy your dinner because we will now go to the next part of tonight's celebration. Let's check the energy level nga once again of the caller teams. Kung lahi ba ang energy level kaganiha o ang energy level karon nga nakapaniha po na. Let's try to find out if there is a difference in the way you bring out your energy, your joy and celebration of our Family Day and the 125th anniversary of Philippine Civil Service. Well, I would start with the team that was the last earlier. So balihon na sab nato. Let's listen to the yells nga nakapanihapon na coming from the blue team. Let's go purple team. More power kaayon na ba sa ting human na ang panihapon. Well, let's also hear it right from the white team. Let's go red team. On my left, your right, the orange team. And finally, let's go yellow. And one more time, let's clap our hands for everyone. This is our night to celebrate as one big happy family din sa LGU Ozami City. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, we all believe that words have the power to change minds, to touch hearts, and to inspire action. And one of the competitions that our city has conducted in line with the Civil Service Month is the Paligsahan sa Pagtatalumpati. So earlier, we've heard a song rendition, we've seen that pasabog dance number. Let's celebrate the power of persuasion and words this time. With the peace, we were moved by the eloquence and conviction of one civil servant who remind us of our sworn duty as public officials and employees. The message resonated with honesty, integrity, and a deep sense of patriotism, truly reflecting the puso at dangal of a modern-day hero. Ladies and gentlemen, this time we will have the representative from the yellow team. That one champion in the Paligsahan sa Pagtatalumpati. Let's now lend our ears to the champion himself, Mr. Rodrigo Celada.
Hello. Si Joby taod sa Hello. Bawat kawani, lingkod bayan, puso, dangal at galing para sa bayan. Isang munting papel, sa likod sidula. Sa likod ng papel na ito, anong bayan ang ating binubuo? Noon, ipinunit ito ng ating mga bayani bilang hudyat ng revolusyon. Sa maliit na papel na iyon, sumiklab ang apoy ng kalayaan. Ngayon, gamit pa rin natin ang parihong papel, ngunit ito'y hindi panawagan ng digmaan, ngunit ito'y palaala ng ating panata. Panata bilang mga lingkod bayan, ang makabagong bayani ng ating bayan. Mga kapwa ko lingkod bayan, tayo ang kapagpangalaga ng bawat piso, pawis ng bawat pamamayang nagbabayad ng buwis. Mga lingkod bayan, Tayo ang tapamahala ng perang iyon tungo sa kaunlaran. Ang mga kalsadang nagdurugtong ng bayan, ang mga pamahalaang humuhubog ng ating kabataan, ang mga ospital na naliligtas ng buhay, at sa mga serbisyong nag-aangat ng pamumuhay. At higit sa lahat, tayo ang inaasahan na magawa ng tama nang hindi ayon sa pansariling interes, kundi para sa bayan. Ang sidulang ito ay simbolo ng pagpanalo. At ang bawat galaw at puso ng tao ay nagdadagdag sa kaniyagan at kalayaan ng bayan. 6 pulgada lamang ang sukat ng sidula, maliit sa anyo, ngunit dakila ang simbolo nito. Tayo ang tapagbangalaga ng puso ng bayan. Tayo ang tapagbangalaga ng dangal ng ating pamalaan. At higit sa lahat, tayo ang tapagmalas ng galing para sa ating bayan.
Atin pong napakinggan ang isang makata na siyang nagwagi sa paligsahan sa pagtatalumpati. Muli, atin pong bigyan ng isang masigabong palakpakan. And that was really a good reminder sa bawat lingkod bayan ng ating pamahalaan. And now, with that very inspiring words, let's be inspired this time because it's gonna be exciting as we open the first part or the first round of our raffle draw. And the good thing is, there is a good news that we will hear this time, aside from the raffle draw that we'll be having. And that good news will be coming from Councilor Attorney Mars Sapayan. Let's give him a resounding applause.
Ang gabi, Estinto, Tamis! Murag busog, luya pa. Kini atong rapos karon, ibisugdahan ni sa atong mga batanon ng leaders sa Sinso Samis. Nga bisan sila wala dili karon, pero di sila makatugot nga dili mapil ang pieces karon gabi una. They want to be part of this program para malipay ang atong mga empleyado sa Sinso Samis. Nibawa na ninyo nga suka paginato in our first term, nagi itong mga kalihukan nga makalipay kayo. Mahatag hope, excitement, no? O kauban magbahay nga wala ka daog. Pudagan malipay, excited. Nahimo na murag kustombre, gamay lang. Murag tradisyon. Ato na ipadayon. Tungkol kay gusto sa atong mga batanong nga leaders, nga padayon ni. Atong kupakan, atong asistente congressman, si Congressman Indy Waminal. Usap, atong asistente congressman segundo, si Congressman Ando Waminal, atong kupakan. O ginigiduyugan sa atong pinangga nga hard-working gobernador, si atong ni Henry Seminal, atong kupakan sab. And of course, giduyugan sa atong maaptik o dipisipyo nga mayor, si atong ni Sam Lumampintis, atong kupakan sab. Sa walang halangan, di mi gusto nga magpasapasaan mo dagong goods, no? Mangitabag sa kinan na kagaan para komportable mo ang atong rapos in cold cash. Okay mo? Natin ang bilo. Onsa gusto ang amount, suguta. Pili amount yung gusto, sugod. Pili amount, ma'am. Gamay na ng 5. Alhin mo ang 10. Okay mo? Magsagot tag rapos for 5 winners of 10,000 each.
There you go. Kabalo na kita ba sa Ascenso Administration? Pasabog na always ang raffle. So, Attorney, let's go. So, gimension na ni Attorney Mars, 5 winners of 10,000 pesos each o makita nato here on this LED screen ang mga maswerte nga mga pangalan. And may request our city councilors, ayan, with of course our Vice Mayor Bebe Neri and the rest of the city councilors to award. Ingon pa ni Attorney Mars, cold cash. Alright. Okay, ihatag sa ato ang 5 ka mga mananaog. Alright. But of course, I guess we have 15 for this round. 5 ang i-mention pero mas daghan pa actually. We'll be having 15 winners of 10,000 pesos. So accordingly, itag 5 nato sila para according magod para makita gid daw sa screen inyo mga pangalan by batch. But don't you worry, 15 gyud ang mga kadaog, i-batch by batch lang nato sila so that everyone will see of course the names. Okay? There you go. Are you now ready, Asamis? Manifest, manifest ampo na ta kaysa gusto og 10,000. Alright. Okay, there you go. So, as instructed earlier sa ato ang in charge sa ato ang e-raffle, itag 5 lang daw para makita gyud ang mga pangalan. But still, for the first round, we will have 15 winners. So, once again, may we request our city officials, you have our Vice Mayor, Bebe Neri, and the city councilors for, again, the awarding of the winners sa ato ang raffle. Oh my God, I'm just so excited. Because this time again, 15 kabuok ang makadaog og tag 10,000. Okay, there you go. Okay, so good na tag-ampo. It's a mga sortihon diri og raffle. Alright. Og di ka sortihon, tapat atong nakadaog atong last year. Dito niya, hawit. Ay, gina siya buhi para makuha sa imo, makuha or mabalhin sa imo ha, ang iyang swerte, ang blessing, kumbaga. And this is through the generosity of Ascenso Administration, Gov. Henry, Kong Ando, Kong Indy, Mayor Sam, Vice Mayor Bebe, and the rest of the city councilors. There you go. So we'll be selecting 5 para by batch daw. Let's go. Eyes on the screen, dala pag-ampo. The first name, the first lucky winner is...
You know the roof on fire.